This hotel is unreal. Hello there and welcome back to another vlog. It's going to be all about spending a few days in Ubud in Bali, Indonesia. So I will bring you along to see what we get up to. We are in Canggu right now, staying in an Airbnb because we moved out of our villa yesterday and my sister and her boyfriend arrived. So we're about to get ready to leave, travel to Ubud, which is 1 hour. We're going by moped, check into our hotel and then start exploring the area. I've heard really good things about it, so let's see how it is. Okay, first things first, some cinnamon buns to fuel us for the journey, and my sister's gone to get us coffees. Woo! Ready to go. Some welcome towels. That's the pollution. Some welcome drinks. Cheers. Cheers. We have arrived in Sabana, Ubud. Hey, we've just checked in and our room is so nice. I'll give you a quick look. So we're on the ground floor right beside the pool, and this is the entrance to the room. So we've got a big bed with a mosquito net, nice comfy chair. Here we have a little desk area, TV, and then the bathroom is lovely. So there's like a big shower and bathtub. Delighted with this. We've got a kettle, some water, tea, some kind of tunics to wear, slippers, fridge. So nice, isn't it?
Perfect. It's really good.
Perfect. This hotel is unreal. It's called Sabana Ubud, and for the four of us, so me and Gary have room here, Nicole and Jack have room next door, and it was €18 each a night, which seems really cheap for something so nice. So it's all of our first time in Ubud. We have planned to go to the monkey forest today, and we're just gonna get some lunch first and then head off to see the little monkey lads. And to see some monkeys. Oh my god, we're just back from the monkey forest. That was amazing. That was a ridiculous few hours. My god. We're just back to the hotel now and we've been offered some afternoon tea. So I'm going to enjoy that. Chill out for a little while before we get ready to go for dinner. Can anyone tell me what this is? The lady who brought it to me is gone and I didn't get to ask her. But I'm not sure, but it's nice. Right, so we just had a quick nap and just showered and got myself all prepped and ready for dinner. We don't know where we're going, so we're just going to go out, have a couple of recommendations and just see what we like the look of, basically. But we're starving, so have to go. They're literally all waiting for me while I'm sitting here YouTubing. That dinner, unreal. It was stunning, wasn't it? It was class. But we just came back and they've, oh, Gary's peeping in the background. We just came back and they've like remade the bed because we didn't nap in it earlier and left us new bottles of water. Look at this. Oh, it's called turn down service, isn't it? They literally turn down the edges of the bed.
I don't know.
And some water. Breakfast delivered to our room. Okay, I just woke up and jumped in the pool and it was stunning. And now we have breakfast delivered to our room. What a morning. We're just about to head off on a road trip around Ubud. So our hotel has organised a local driver for us and we don't really know where we're going yet, but it's going to be 4 hours seeing sights around Ubud and yeah, it sounds amazing. So we are just after having our unreal breakfast outside and we're ready to go. Our first stop today was Teganugan Waterfall, if that is how you pronounce it. There is a lot of steps down to the waterfall, but it is completely worth it. We walked around for a little while and Jack and Gary got in for a swim. They said it was actually not as cold as it looks and that it was quite refreshing. If that's not your thing, there's also Oma Pool Club or Beach Club that you can go for a swim there instead. Stop 2 was the Holy Springs, which is a sacred water temple in the Hindu religion in Bali. So you are covered with a sarong when you go in. We then saw the grounds, went to the changing room and changed into our special sarongs for the water. It was quite busy when we got there, so there was a huge amount of people in the water. It's better to go early. And here we are getting our blessings in the sacred water temple. Stop 3 was then to see the rice fields. So this was absolutely stunning. Even though the sky was a little bit grey, it didn't matter. It looked absolutely incredible. There was some activities there as well that you could partake in. There was some swings, there was zip lining, there was cycling across a zip line. It was insane, and plenty of spots to take some really nice pictures. There was also some locals around, and they got my sister to wear this traditional hat and hold this carrier for rice. And yeah, overall it was absolutely stunning. Hello there. It's our last morning in Ubud. We're just having breakfast up on the terrace here, and our driver from yesterday is bringing us some local pork. I can't remember the name of it. Can you? Babi gulung. So it's our first time that we're going to be trying this dish, and he told us all about it yesterday, and we said yeah, sounds nice. So he's bringing some to the hotel for us, and yeah, we're about to have it for breakfast.
Sambal.